need a 0-0. We haven't seen a 0-0 for a long time, but entertaining one at the same time. So up for us.
I think Dunstan came here for a point, especially with the formation they played last second half. I mean, they changed into a 3-6-1, which I've never seen before. They kind of put everybody behind the ball, and I think they'll be very happy with a point. They've rolled the luck at times, and through, like I say, the keeper's made a good save on the line, and I think we've been denied 3 penalty decisions today by the referee. But some days you get them, some days you don't. And at least we didn't get beat. Of course, I believe we could have gotten all 3 points with a Lewis at the post first half as well. But like I say, they're very difficult to break down when they change formations like that. And credit our lads. I mean, we stuck out. We give it our best goal, and the run keeps going because they're still undefeated.
You must have felt a bit, hard done by the penalty decisions. There's some, quite blatant or not quite blatant, but it must be disappointing in your eyes not to get, a bit of luck to swing your way during the match.
You could tell what kind of game it was. I mean, there was very little in between in the sides, and like I said, decisions like that. The first one was a pen. I believe it was a handball on the line, which was a pen, and then the kids, he's pulled him down, and the referee he says that he was already on the floor, but I disagree. I think it's 3 penalties, no doubt about it.
Other than that, you must be disappointed with how the work ethic of the side. There were chances, they could have put the ball in the back of the net, but this, again, luck wasn't on your side today.
We're defended well. I mean, the squad's good, so yes, we could have. We're happy with the point, like I say, but frustrated as well.
Richie, you cut an angry and disappointed manager. You're happy with how the game turned out? It wasn't intended at the same time, but decisions again and not going your way.
I think it's been a great game, to be honest. And at the end of the day, it's a good point for us, a good 0-0 draw. Both teams have battled well. There's been nothing in the teams. I'm just a little bit disappointed about the penalties. I thought we should have 3 penalties, but if I go calling anybody, I just get fined, so it's not really worth going on any further on that situation, so I'll carry on.
You must be happy with how everyone just got on with the game, especially the chances that you did have, and it was just a bit unfortunate in the end not to go in the back of the net. I mean, 9 times out of 10, one of them went in the back of the net, but obviously.
I think we've had some good chances. There's been 2 excellent blocks. I mean, the first half, the kid hid himself on the line. It was brilliant. Second half, they've done the same again. I mean, you couldn't deny out about that. The strikes were like rockets, and the kids just gotten away. On top of that, we've had chances, but at the end of the day, we've played well, so that's the main thing. We haven't let any goals in. Okay, we haven't scored today. It's the first time we haven't scored for a long time, but I'm still pleased with the game. No teach, I'm happy with.
And the game on Tuesday at the Whitley Bay, I mean, how do you foresee how that game spanned out from this result?
Well, we don't worry about teams now. We don't worry about who we're playing. We just take every game as it is. Even today, Dunstan, a good side, another good side. We just take the game as it is and who we're playing on the day. It doesn't matter now because our side's as good as all the rest. So we're in the mix out with the rest. So it matters. Thank you.
If there's a play, Kirky, is that 1 point gained or 2 lost? What do you say?
I don't know how to look at it. I think we're quite happy we didn't get beat, but I think the chances we had were probably deserved all 3. I don't think Dunstan done enough at all, and they're probably happy with a point more than what we are.
And the penalty incidents, did you see any of them?
I didn't really see. Sometimes you can tell by players' reaction that there are penalty or not, and the players' reaction was that it was, but I can't really comment from where I was.
And a clean sheet for the back. How pleased are you with how the defence is performing?
Yeah, not just today. This has been going on for weeks and weeks now. I think we're looking really solid as a back 4, and again, Hunt hasn't done much work in goal at all, and he didn't last week. And I think that's with us in front of him and what we've got in front. We're looking really, really solid.
And looking forward, what kind of aims do this side have for the rest of the year? Are you just looking up at the?
I think we've just got to keep taking every game as it comes and keep trying to win every game. And you never know where it's going to take us. People are in the Vars, and other teams might have their mind on that, but we've just got the league to concentrate on. So I don't see why we can't just keep kicking on, see where we go.
And Whitley Bay on Tuesday, what kind of challenge do you think they could put up with?
Well, we've got a change in management now, so that always brings a bit of life into the team. So we're expecting a tough game. I've never had an easy game at Whitley Bay in all the time I've played in Northern League, so I'm expecting nothing different on Tuesday night.